Will wonders never cease? I didn't like him. Didn't like him, I couldn't stand him. Couldn't stand him, I wouldn't have him. I never knew him, but now I do. And I could, and I would, and I know. He loves me, and to my amazement, I love it, knowing that he loves me. He loves me, true, he doesn't show it. How could he, when he doesn't know it? Yesterday he loathed me, bah, now today he likes me, ha, and tomorrow, my teeth ache from the urge to touch him. I'm speechless, for I mustn't tell him. It's wrong now, but it won't be long now before my love discovers that he and I are lovers. Imagine how surprised he's bound to be. He loves me. He loves me. Isn't that a wonder? I wonder why I didn't want him. I want him, that's the thing that matters. And matters are improving daily. Yesterday I loathed him, bah, now today I love him, ah, and tomorrow, I'm tingling, such delicious tingles. I'm trembling, what the hell does that mean? I'm freezing, that's because it's cold out. But still I'm incandescent, and like some adolescent, I'd like to scrawl on every wall I see. He loves me.